Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another face mask Friday. And today we're going to be reviewing another Yes To mask. Yes. And this is Yes To Cucumbers. This is a soothing two-step eye kit. Bye-bye bags and dark circles. So I've done a few of these two-step masks in the past and I've actually found them quite interesting. It's like a more in-depth version of a face mask. So it's like you have to actually do this. Obviously it's only two steps, but it's a little bit more enjoyable at times. So for this one, you have to cleanse your face, then wave bye-bye to sleepy, puffy eyes as you place the eye masks under the eye area, adjusting for a smooth fit. Relax for 10 minutes and then remove them. And then using your ring finger, dab a smaller amount around the eye and orbital bone. Late night, they'll never know. So this is I don't know when this is best to do it, but I'm doing it at night just because it's the best time for me to film, because I don't really want to film bright and early in the morning before work. But I do often get really kind of grim looking eyes. I'm like they're not obviously horrendously bad at the moment, but it's always good to hydrate the eye area. So I've already cleansed the face, so I think it's just time to really open this bad boy up. So here we have the under eye pieces. It's very wet, as you would expect. So let me just try and pop this open without making a huge mess. Now I'm kind of hoping that they're kind of thick enough, but not too thick, you know, and easy to work with. So I can't really smell anything, but if it is actually cucumber, then it's not going to smell of much. But let's see how easy this is to apply. Okay, so I don't even know how to apply this. Like what? I assume it's like this. Okay, that looks about right. I don't know if I've gone too far up. Because it feels like it's going to poke me in the eye, but never mind. And now for the other side. So yeah, this is the eye mask piece. I kind of feel a little bit like a superhero. You know, one of those like face masks that just covers the eyes. Yeah, I'm weird, okay. I have no idea if I've got it on too close to the eye, or, you know, if it's, I just don't know. It does feel like it is a bit too close, so I might pull it down a little bit, because I don't want to kill myself with a face mask. That would be not the best way to go. But yeah, so I'm going to leave this on now for the 10 minutes and then we're going to be back to complete step 2. Alrighty there, so I feel like it's probably been a little bit longer. They still feel like they have a little bit of moisture in them, but you know, I should take them off. Oh, that actually feels really nice. I'm just gonna like massage in the excess. I don't know if it says to do that or not, but I'm going to. Yep, it doesn't tell you to do that, and that just dripped all over my trousers. But I'm gonna do it anyway, just because it feels a little bit wet and tacky, and I just think it'd be nice just to massage it in a little bit. So anyways, next it is actually time. Oh my goodness. The liquid stuff has gone like everywhere. Let me just rub it in. So next here we have the eye treatment, and it says just to use the ring finger to massage this under the eye. Right, so it is, there's a fair amount in there actually. I wasn't expecting a lot. Does it say to use all of it? A smaller amount? Why have they put so much in? Using the ring finger. This is just to massage it around this area. That is exactly what we're going to do. It says go onto the bone as well. I may go a little bit higher around. Just spread it nicely around. I have absolutely put too much on, but you know what? Oh well. They've provided way too much. Look, there's still loads in there. Jesus Christ. Right, so yeah, it's not really massaged in, but I'm probably gonna just have to try and wipe away the excess. But I'm gonna leave it for like just a little bit, just to soak the cream in. Like I said, they've provided quite a lot in the pack. For the fact that you're not supposed to use it all, it's a little bit misconceiving, I guess. Because you do naturally, when you see things like that, you just want to go, I'm gonna use it all. At least I do. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly just try and clean this all up, and then I'll be back with the results. Okay. So I've obviously cleaned it all up. I think it still feels a little bit like when you've just put moisturiser on, you can still feel a layer of it. But I feel like my eyes do kind of look a little bit more awake. They definitely feel more hydrated, and the like tops of my cheeks feel a lot more plumper. But it is hard for you guys to see because lighting. But I definitely can feel a little bit extra like glow and brightness to the skin as well. So I guess that does help combat dark circles. Yeah, overall I do just feel like it's quite a fun mask to do, especially for those if you do need the extra hydration under the eyes. We all get times like that, you know, looking after certain parts of your skin is just part of life. Everyone has problem areas, and if the under eyes for you is your problem area, here you go. But yeah, so I actually remember the price of this one. So this is actually a $4.99 mask. You can buy it in drugstores like Boots, Superdrug, anything like that. Go and have a look. They usually do stock masks like this. I got mine personally from a Boots. But anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this review, and make sure if you are purchasing this mask, you're letting me know down below. And if you've already used this mask, let me know what you thought of it, because I love to hear your feedback also. But anyway, I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.